Avalanche slide value was equal to $10.50, 309 a coin. It is now at 28 cents, 32.7421, down from $1.58 N1 at the end of the previous day. This is a drop of 0.082 or 0.55%. The opposite rate US dollars to AX expected Avalanche slide value for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 202 as of October 2023. The cost of an Avalanche fall is expected to be $9.20 for the first place. $13.47 least expensive every month, $867 is the average. Avalanche slide costs $10.99 per month, but they'll go up to $12.59 by the end of the month. This is a 36.3% increase in US dollars. Prices are expected to start at $12.59 in November 2023. $15.62 least expensive most months, it costs $9.79. $13.50 Avalanche slide cost guess near the end of the month change of $14.60 for November 16% Avalanche slide cost expectation for December 2023 at the start cost of $14.60 most $14.60 least expensive each month, it costs $12.57. Avalanche slide costs $13.82 per month, and they went up to $13.52 in December, which is a 7.4% increase in US dollars. In January 2024, the most expensive thing we expect to see will cost $13.52. $13.52 least expensive $10.56 is the normal amount for the month Avalanche slide cost guess for the end of the month. $11.36 change from January 16% Avalanche slide cost guess for February 2024 at the start price of $1.36 most high cost $11.96 least expensive $10.40 is the normal amount for the month. The Avalanche slide is expected to cost $118 by the end of the month, up 11.23% from the beginning of the month. The exchange rate for February was 1.6% to US dollars, and the WAC 2024 is expected to start at $1.18. $1.18 least expensive $9.60 is the normal amount for the month. $10.56 Avalanche slide cost measure near the end of the month. During the spring, the price of Avalanche slides will change by $10.30 or 7.7%. The most that they will cost in April 2024 is $1.32. $10.30 least expensive $86 is the normal amount for the month. At the end of the month, the cost of an Avalanche fall was $9.34. $8.67 change for April 2016, or 16% AX in US dollars. The most expensive thing expected to cost in May 2024 was $8.67.